welcome to our channel. Today we are going to explore some fantastic outdoor door decoration ideas for simple wood doors. Whether you are looking to enhance your crop appeal or just to add a touch of charm of your home's entrance, these ideas will help to create a warm and inviting interior. One of the easiest and most versatile ways to decorate wood deco in with seasonal variety. Choose trays made from natural materials like twigs, pines and flowers to complement the wood's rustic appeal. For personal touch to your even dry weather using items like dried flowers, trees and repose. Adding welcoming sign to your wooden doors is a simple yet effective way to create your gates. You can purchase ready-made signs to create your own with a piece of reclaimed wood and some paint. Consider personalizing it with a family name or a friendly message. Filling your wooden door with planters filled with lush greenery or seasonal flowers. This not only adds color and life of your entrance but also enhance the natural beauty of the wood. Hang planters in a window box can also create attraction. A stylish grow mat can be both functional and decorative. So if you like this idea, first of all like the video, click the subscribe, press the like on this video, share to your friends, family members. Thanks for joining us, thanks for watching, take care.